Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic kitchen tool that can elevate your culinary skills, the Cuisinart CSB-179 Smart Stick Variable Speed Hand Blender. We found this product online and have included the link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Cuisinart CSB-179? This versatile hand blender is designed to make your cooking and food prep tasks easier and more efficient. With its sleek stainless steel design, it combines functionality with style, ensuring that it not only performs well but also looks good in your kitchen. Let's talk about some of the standout features of this hand blender. First and foremost, it boasts a powerful 300-watt motor that allows for superior blending and mixing. One of the great things about this model is its variable speed control, which lets you switch swiftly between low and high speeds. This feature gives you the flexibility to handle a variety of textures and results, whether you're making a delicate sauce or a hearty soup. Comfort is key in any kitchen appliance, and the Cuisinart CSB-179 delivers with its comfort grip handle. You'll find a push button for continuous action, allowing for easy blending without straining your hand. The on-off switch features a lock/unlock button, adding an extra layer of safety, especially if you're using it around children. The 8-inch stainless steel blending shaft is another highlight of this hand blender. It's designed for easy puréeing, emulsifying, or whipping, making it suitable for a range of culinary tasks. Plus, the durable stainless steel construction means you won't have to worry about wear and tear over time. In addition to the hand blender itself, the CSB-179 comes with some essential accessories that further enhance its utility. You'll receive a 3-cup chopper/grinder, which is perfect for chopping herbs, nuts, or even creating your own pesto. The included chef's whisk is great for whipping egg whites or cream, ensuring that you can tackle a variety of recipes with ease. Lastly, the 2-cup mixing/measuring cup will help you measure and mix ingredients without the need for additional tools, streamlining your cooking process. Now, let's discuss who would benefit most from the Cuisinart CSB-179. If you're a home cook who enjoys experimenting in the kitchen, this hand blender is a must-have. Whether you're making smoothies, soups, sauces, or baby food, the CSB-179 can handle it all with ease. It's also an excellent choice for those who may be short on space, as it's compact and easy to store. Practical use cases for the Cuisinart CSB-179 are virtually endless. For instance, if you love making homemade soups, this hand blender can quickly puree your ingredients right in the pot, saving you the hassle of transferring hot liquids to a traditional blender. If you're into baking, using the whisk attachment can help you create fluffy batters or whipped cream in no time. And for those who enjoy meal prepping, the chopper/grinder is perfect for getting your veggies prepped for the week ahead. Overall, the Cuisinart CSB-179 Smart Stick Variable Speed Hand Blender is a versatile kitchen tool that promises to make your cooking and food preparation experience smoother and more enjoyable. Its combination of power, ease of use, and thoughtful features makes it a great addition to any kitchen, whether you're a novice or a seasoned chef. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.